Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video we went ahead and made the ear, and in this one we're going to make the face. So let's get started. Go ahead and save your project. So File, Save Scene As, and I'm on number 9 here, so I'll make this 10. There we go. Awesome. And now let's go ahead and select the lips. We'll start from here. Go ahead and hit F to frame on those. Not looking too bad. We're going to go into edge selection, so F10. And then go ahead and double click this outer ring here. So we'll get that. I'm going to go ahead and turn off symmetry. And then we will extrude. Let's pull the green arrow, then pull that out. Looks pretty good. We're going to do that one more time. So hit extrude again. And let's pull that out once more to about there. Awesome. Let's go into vertex selection, so F9. And let's jump over into our front view. So we can widen this just a little bit. So I'll get this point. Let's turn on symmetry before I move anything. I'll just move these out just a little. There we go. I'll get these ones up here. Try to make this shape here. For the bottom of the chin, let's go to the side view. And you can see down here, we'll get these at the bottom, and we'll move them down to about here. And I'll get these, move those back. Looks pretty good there. Let's check our perspective view. Okay. I'm going to grab the vertices all on this side. Let's make sure we get that side. We're going to round off this little peak in the middle. So go ahead and just pull that forward. And then for this corner, I'm going to get these. I'm going to pull those forward just a little bit. Let's go ahead and make the bottom of the chin here. So F10. Hit Q to turn off my tool, and I'll get the bottom edges here. Hit extrude, and then W to get a straight arrow, and we'll pull that straight down. And that's pretty good. We'll go back to my front view. We'll go into vertex mode, so F9, and I'll just move these down to bottom of the chin. These I'll move down to the edge of the jaw here. That looks good. Let's check back here. I'll get these, and I'll move them back. There we go. Let's go ahead and make the back of the jaw. So F10. Grab this edge back here. Extrude. Hit W to get the straight arrow. And I'll go to my side view. And let's pull this back to the ear. Like that. Go to F9 for vertex. I'll grab this one. And I'll just straighten these off. Okay. Now I'm going to select these back here. And then from the front view, you can see that they're very tight on the face. I'm going to pull those out toward the ear. That's going to frame our jawline. That looks pretty good. Now I want to continue this up to make this laugh line. So I'm going to get my multi-cut tool. And I'm going to do a split right about here. F10 for edge mode. Q to turn off my tool. And I'm going to grab this edge here. I'm going to hit extrude. Let's turn off symmetry for just a second. That way I can get the green arrow. And then pull that out. We can turn symmetry back on. Alright, let's get our target weld tool and grab that guy. And let's merge from here to there. There we go. So that's got our laugh line going. Alright, let's connect the nose. Go to object mode, so F8. Select the nose, and go ahead and select the face. And while we're at it, we'll also get the left and right eyelids. Make sure we're in poly modeling, and then hit the combine tool. So combine. So this is all one object, and we can start sewing pieces together. So down here, I want to sew this, but I need to cut here. So get multi-cut. We'll throw in an edge loop right about here. Hit Q to turn off the tool, and we'll make that little, what's called the fill trim, the little snot slide there. So target weld, and I'm going to just go ahead and weld these back. To get that little dimple for the fill trim, we can hit Q to turn off the tool, and grab these vertices here, and pull those back. That'll create that little divot. Then we can connect these here. So let's get this vertex, we'll pull it down. Line that up on the face. And we'll connect here. So F10 for edge mode, grab these two edges. Hold shift and right click to bridge. There we go. Looks pretty good. We're going to do kind of the same thing for the nose here. You can see this is a bit tricky because we have such small geometry. So we're going to come back to this part. Let's go ahead and start on the eye. I'm going to come up to here. Let's go ahead and just double click the ring around the eye, that outer ring. We'll hit extrude. And let's turn off symmetry so I can get the green arrow. So symmetry off. Let's pull the green arrow down. That's going to give us our ocular orbit, the little bit of bit that goes around the eye there. Looks pretty good. Go ahead and hit Q to turn off your tool, and we will turn symmetry back on. So object X. Let's go to F9 for vertex, and we will shape out this cheekbone here. So I'll get this point. And we'll move it forward and up a little bit. And then this one, do the same thing. Looks good there. Get this inner corner, we'll pull that forward. This upper one will go forward more. This one forward. And we're just helping make that shape for the transition of the eyebrow. Let's connect here. So F10 for edge mode. I'll get this edge. Hit Q to turn off the tool. Get that edge. Hold shift. Hold right click. That's bridge. We'll do the same thing here. So both edges, hold shift and right click. And let's help that transition a little bit better. There we go. Okay, now you can see we need to connect the nose. The nose, if we continue the laugh line, will come down around this way, but we also need to transition around the eye. So we have to do a change of direction. So I'll get my multi-cut tool, and let's do a cut right about here. Okay, and let's go into the nose here. I'll get edge mode. I'm going to take this part of the nose here and kind of fold it back on itself. So target weld, F9 for vertex, and let's merge this vertex to here. Q to turn off the tool, select this vertex here, and we'll move it down. I'll move this one kind of around that corner. And then for this spot right here, we will extrude off of this edge, so F10. This one and that one. Hit extrude. Let's turn off symmetry. And pull up on the green arrow. That looks good. Let's turn symmetry back on. And let's add a division. So down here under divisions, we'll just bring that up to 2. That gives us a slice. Hit Q to turn off the tool, and then F9 for vertex. And let's move this point over, and we'll get this point right there. There we go. And we can just merge these together. And we'll just check both sides, make sure symmetry is working. Okay. So this one, we'll get target weld to there. And then this one, target weld to there. Alright, hit Q to turn off the tool, and we'll reshape this a little bit better. Pull these back. Just check the angles. For here we need to split. So multi-cut, throw in a cut. Q to turn off the tool. And let's start spreading this out. So I'll move this one out here, this one out here. And we will merge those. So target weld, get this to there, and that one to here. And now we can take this down this way. So hit Q, turn off the tool, get multi-cut. We will throw in a cut about here. Hit Q to turn off the tool, go to edge mode, so F10. And then this one to here on the nose. Shift and right click to bridge. And we would need to add a division, so we'll add one division. Go to edge mode and select the edge, we'll pull that up. And we'll move it over. Just kind of push it into place here. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect because once we weld it, it'll be fine. So get target weld. Hit F9. And then this point to here. That point to there. To connect this point, we need to cut through the mouth here. So hit Q to turn off the tool. Get multi-cut, and we will throw a slice right about here. Q to turn off the tool. Now what we want to do is sort of move this forward so that we can round out this cheekbone. So make sure we're in vertex mode, and I'm going to get these points here. I'm going to move this forward some and down. You can see I'm building in the structure to go this way. Alright, we're going to have to do a slice up through the mouth to here. So multi-cut tool, hold down control, I'm going to cut here, that way it goes through the lip. Hit Q to turn off the tool. And you can see now we have a spot for a quad right about here. So I'm going to get F10 for edge mode, I'll get this edge and that one. Hold shift, hold right click, bridge. We'll do the same thing from here to here, and then bridge. So now we have that structure for the cheekbone. So F9 for vertex. We can just move this around so it's not as pointy. There we go. This point back here, I'll just move up some. And let's check the structure of the face. So this needs to come out. So these two, this point and that point, we can move those out. Kind of widen that cheek. And let's do this from edge mode. So I'll hit F10, and I'll get this edge here, and we'll move it out. And I'll just continue that to average this. slide it forward. Alright, I'm getting a little jagged right here. So F9 for vertex. Just trying to make this so it's not super jagged. One trick you can do, if I want to pull this out in the direction of its alignment, you can see how the widget is not very favorable, but I can change that. So hold down W, hold down left click, we can change this to component. And now I can kind of pull in the direction that it's oriented. Very handy. This one. Okay. And I think that is going to do it for this video. And the next one, we will start doing the back of the head. So save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you like that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.